Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding widgets to your home screen on iOS 14. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Widgets are a new feature of iOS 14, so make sure your phone is updated to the latest version before you try this. Hold down on an empty space or any app on your home screen until all the apps start to wiggle. Then on the wiggle screen you will see a plus icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Tap on the plus. You now have the option to search for a specific widget or choose from the suggested ones. Choose whichever widget you would like to add to your home screen. I will choose the clock. Tap on it to select it. Now, depending on the widget, you may have some different options to choose from. Swipe from right to left to see the different options. Tap on Add Widget when you are on the option you would like. Tap the Home button to leave the wiggle screen. Your widget has now been added to your home screen. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. You can add a variety of things to your home screen. If you want to remove a widget from your home screen, then hold down on the widget and tap Remove Widget from the menu. Then tap Remove from the pop-up that appears. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.